Business Plan Appendix Section. A business plan appendix contains all the additional documents or supporting data that you can include in the main sections of the business plan. It helps the reader get a closer look at your business. Here are a few segments you might need to include in Business Plan Appendix Section. Number 1. Supplementary Information. Here, include additional information to support and expand whatever you have mentioned in other sections of your business plan. Some of the information are charts, graphs, and tables, marketing material, market research, competitor information, illustrations of products, property designs. Number 2. Legal documents. You can include documents that are relevant or act as evidence of the information or claims present in your business plan. Some of the documents are incorporation papers, licenses, permits, patents, and trademarks, important contracts, pending contracts, leases and rental agreements, vendor agreements, equipment and documentation. Number 3. Organizational and personnel details. In this section, you can include your organizational process and details of the people involved in your company. Some of the details are organizational chart, executive members resume, affiliates such as attorneys, accountants, and etc. Number 4. Additional financial documents. You may need to add extra exclusive documents for your investors and banks in this section. Some of the documents are list of assets within the business, credit history, tax returns, spreadsheets of financial projections. Number 5. Achievements, testimonials, and news stories. You can also include information that advocates your company's credibility, which helps the reader to trust your products and therefore your brand too. Some of the details are media and press clippings, customer or expert endorsements, awards and achievements. Finish your business plan by attaching the necessary supporting documents and references. Also, you can visit Upmetrics to get 200+ free business plan templates with step-by-step guide on writing a perfect business plan.